Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Murcielago. First, let's establish the basic proportions. Start by sketching a long, low rectangle for the car's main body. Then, add a smaller, angled rectangle on top to represent the cabin. Next, lightly draw 4 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced. Remember, the Murcielago is a very wide and low car, so keep those initial lines light and fluid. Now let's refine the body's iconic lines. Connect your initial rectangles with smooth, angular strokes, emphasizing the Murcielago's aggressive stance. Carefully shape the wheel arches, giving them a slight flare over where the tires will be. Don't forget to add the prominent side air intakes, a key design element. Pay attention to the car's low profile. It should look like it's hugging the ground. Moving on, let's add the windows and lighting. Draw the sharp, narrow windshield and side windows, keeping them consistent with the car's sleek design. Next, sketch the distinct, angular headlights at the front and the equally sharp taillights at the rear. Don't forget to include the fuel cap and the subtle door lines, ensuring they blend seamlessly with the Murcielago's overall sharp aesthetic. For our final slide, we'll add the finishing touches and shading. Include smaller details such as the side mirrors, the prominent exhaust pipes, and any additional vents. Carefully outline the wheel spokes and brake calipers to give them a realistic appearance. Finally, apply shading to create depth and highlight the Murcielago's powerful contours, making your drawing truly pop off the page. Use a variety of pencil pressures for a dynamic look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.